Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. The other day my daughter and I stopped by Target, and in the Bullseye playground they have the cutest little gumball machines. These are only $3 and they are ceramic and they're food safe. And so my daughter wanted one and I picked up one too. So they're really neat. They seal really good. So you could put gumballs in it if you wanted to. But my daughter and I thought that we wanted ours for decoration purposes only. So we went to Dollar Tree and picked up some of these glitter vase filler in the Valentine's Day section. And so we thought we would take some tissue paper and just stuff the bottom of it. And then take these little vase fillers and just fill it up. Isn't that adorable? So for $4, you have the cutest little Valentine's Day decoration. So it is ceramic and food safe, so you could use real candy if you wanted to, or you could paint this. So there's lots of options, but I just had to share this since it was only $3 at Target. Let me show you one more thing. Also at Target, in the Bullseye playground, they have the cutest little wicker tiered trays. My daughter, she found these, and I know this kind of stuff sells out pretty quick. Sorry, I've already taken the sticker off of it, but it was $5. So if you get a chance to go by the Bullseye playground at Target or Dollar Spot, whatever you want to call it, look for these tiered trays. They're only $5. They also have some that are metal in white and red, I believe. But we kind of wanted to go with the wicker since spring and summer is coming up. So that's two items you can look for at Target. The gumball machine, only $3, and then this tiered tray for $5. So I hope you can find them. Thank you guys so much for watching.